Hey, who's out there? Hey, welcome to How to Review. Today we're going to take a look at how to change out showerhead. Ordered some new shower heads. Might need to change the shower curtain too, huh? We're going to swap out this shower head to a new one that we actually ordered off of Groupon. For years we've been using these old ones with the little switch, and I had a little high efficiency spray shower head in my bathroom, and went ahead and ordered this new double head shower that you're going to see in a minute. And it made such a good impression that the wife had to have one in the other bathroom too. So I went ahead and ordered a second one, which we're going to put on today. So let's check out what we got from Groupon for $23.99. Alright, so here's our box. Kind of no frills packaging. We got one diverter valve. We have a shower head. Second shower head. A nice stainless steel hose. A couple of grommets. A little bit of Teflon tape. There we go, all our parts. And it says no tool assembly, but since I did it before, I know that I needed to tighten up this hose last time with some channel locks. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do here is remove this one. And it's not going to cooperate. Really not cooperating. Alright, so that's off. I actually think we turn that a little bit. Okay, next up we're going to put this little lock nut all the way up the thread. That's going to keep the little diverter valve straight. Then I'm going to put a little Teflon tape that they included on here. Next step is this diverter valve. Now, depending on what type of shower head you have, yours might be a little different. Alright, I'm not liking the way that's ending up. There's actually two rubber seals, so I'm going to take one out. Alright. Now I'm going to back this set washer down hand tight. Next up, making sure that there's a rubber sealer in there. Maybe not. hose is going to attach. This is where I actually had a leak issue. When I installed the other one, it was slightly leaking out of that hose, so believe it or not, that's basically all there is to it. Give it a test shot. Alright, with everything attached, let's go ahead and fire it up and see if we have any leaks. There we go. Alright, so there you go. That's how quickly and easily you can change your shower head. Doesn't have to be a dual one like this. Maybe you're just going to a massage shower or one without a hose or something else, but it's really easy. A little bit of Teflon tape on the fitting, and just to make sure you don't have any leaks, and everything should work out good. So hopefully that helped you out. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching How To in a Few, and I'll see you next time.